Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we are here with the best topic of 10 best trot spinning rods with buying guides and reviews. Introducing the world of spinning rods for trot where you can increase your catch and improve your fishing experience. The market for superior trot spinning rods had expanded rapidly in the current era. Whether seeking trout in freshwater streams or other species in various situations, these rods provide anglers a smooth and enjoyable way to enjoy their fishing adventures. The top 10 trout spinning rods are described here, each with unique qualities and functions to meet various fishing demands. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com purchase Pro 81. Don't forget to like the video and share this to your friends. Number 1, ST Curious Rod Trot Series Spinning Rod TFS. Features for higher catch rate, high sensitivity, find even the tiniest bites. SC, uh, SC2 graphite is used in the sturdy construction to provide long-lasting performance, long-term comfort ensure with the fork handle that provide a comfortable grip, lightweight design are manageable and less taxing on the body. Number 2, Handling Magic L spinning reel, spinning rod, freshwater fishing rod, 6 by 6 inches, 8 Fuji O plus A ring guides, 24 plus 30 plus 30T carbon fiber spinning fishing rod. Features superior 24 plus 30T carbon fiber construction, guarantee sensitivity and strength. Fuji O plus A ring guide offers smooth line flow and improved casting performance. The two-piece design makes storage and transportation simple. A comfortable cork and EVA handle that is comfortable and secure. The grip helps lessen strain. Number 3, handling M1 spinning rod, 5 by 6 7 inches ultra light to medium heavy freshwater fishing rod. Features superior 24 teeth carbon fiber construction, provide both sensitivity and strength. Fuji O plus A ring guides improve casting performance and guarantee smooth line flow. Available in single and two-piece forms to allow for a flexible storage and transit setup. The ergonomic carbon and EVA handle provide a secure and ergonomic grip. Number 4, handling wandering ultralight fishing rod, Fuji O rings guides, 30-ton carbon fiber blank, a cork handle, two-piece DFS spinning and casting. Features an excellent 30-ton carbon fiber blank provide exceptional sensitivity and strength. Fuji O-ring guide lower line frictions and improve casting and performance. Long fishing excursions are made pleasant and secure with the double A cork handle. Reliable performance throughout time is ensured by durable construction. Number 5, carbon casting rod, carbon fiber telescopic fishing pole, portable travel fishing rod, spinning rod for saltwater, freshwater carp. Features a sturdy carbon fiber structure provides strength and sensitivity. The telescopic form facilitates convenient storage and portability. A flexible rod that may be used for fishing in freshwater and saltwater, lightweight and manageable with lessen fatigue when fishing. Number 6, Temple Fork Outfiltered Trout Penfish 2 Series Rod. Features custom design ensure optimal performance for trout and panfish. Superior material offers resilience and adaptability. Its lightweight design improve mobility and lessen wear and tear. The sensitivity enhance the ability to detect bites and movement. Number 7, travel fishing rods, 4-piece fishing pole surf casting spinning rod, ultra light fishing bite casting rod, 7 fit for saltwater trout features. The four-piece compact design make storage and transit simple, are flexible and rod that work well for both spinning rod surf casting method. The lightweight design lessen footage with fishing sturdy material are resistant to seawater. The sensitivity improve hook setup and bite detection. Number 8, Abu Garcia MBS 63 4L 3 area trout rod spinning mass B3 features heightened sensitivity to pick up on minor bites, low weight designed to lessen fatigue during fishing, accurate movement for successful fish management, and hook setup designed for precise lure control and casting. High quality component ensure performance and longevity. Number 9, Daiwa area trout rod Ipemi 60XUL for fishing rod. Features remarkable sensitivity in picking up on minute, nibble and movement. The ultra lightweight construction improve mobility and lessen fatigue. The ability to cast precisely for precise lure placement. Small and lightweight, it is perfect for storing and traveling. Number 10, Major Craft rod fine trail glass model varies. Features high quality part guarantee reliability and longevity, durable but lightweight design for improved mobility and less fatigue. Adequate hot setting and fish management are ensured by flexible action, adaptable to a variety of freshwater setting and finest fishing methods. Now we are going to share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can run according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestpurchasepro.com/rod spinning rod slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Thanks for watching.